It was a Tuesday morning and my bank account was dangerously low. A big, unexpected bill was looming and I needed cash, fast. I headed to my favorite coffee shop, hoping a change of scenery would spark an idea. As I sipped my latte, I overheard a boutique owner complaining about her confusing website and lost sales. Suddenly it clicked. I'd always been the go-to person for organizing chaos. Closets, parties, resumes, why not websites? Heart pounding, I walked over and introduced myself. "Excuse me, I couldn't help but overhear. I'm great at organizing information, maybe I can help?" She looked surprised but interested. I sketched a few ideas on a napkin, simpler categories, a cleaner menu. Her eyes lit up. She saw the potential immediately. By the end of our coffee she asked, "How much would you charge?" I nervously said, $500. She said yes, just like that. I walked out with a paid project and a realization. The skills I'd used for friends were valuable. People would pay for what came naturally to me. That one conversation proved that sometimes, the fastest way to make money is already inside you, waiting for the right moment. Your everyday talents can be someone else's solution. Don't underestimate what you already know. Sometimes, all it takes is the courage to speak up. And that's how a coffee shop chat turned into fast cash. You don't need a degree or a fancy title to have valuable skills. Right now, you have talents and experiences people will pay for. Think about what friends and family always ask you for help with. Fashion advice, party planning, editing, organizing. These aren't just hobbies, they're marketable skills. The trick is to stop dismissing what comes naturally to you. What feels easy for you is hard for someone else. Your zone of genius is someone else's headache. Start jotting down everything you're good at, no matter how small. What do people thank you for? What problems do you love to solve? This isn't about building a resume. It's about discovering your personal gold mine. Suspend disbelief and focus on what you can do right now. Your skills are more valuable than you think. Let's get specific. What skills are in demand right now? Writing is huge. Blog posts, social media captions, proofreading, emails. Creative skills are sought after. Simple graphic design, photography, choosing color palettes. Organizational skills, offer virtual assistant services, manage calendars, book travel, organize files. Social media help is gold. Many business owners need someone to plan, schedule, and engage online. Teaching and coaching are always needed. Tutoring, music lessons, baking, knitting. You can even offer pet sitting, meal prepping, resume writing, or tech support. The key: pick something you enjoy and that solves a real problem. You don't need to be an expert, just a few steps ahead. Businesses and individuals are looking for help right now. Your competence and reliability matter more than credentials. Start with one skill and offer it today. You've picked a skill. Now, where do you find paying clients? Start with your network. Post a friendly message on Facebook. "I'm helping small businesses with social media this month. Know anyone who needs help?" It's not selling, it's offering to help. Next, try platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Create a profile, describe your service, and set a price. Start small, get a few positive reviews, and build from there. Don't forget Facebook groups. Join groups where your ideal clients hang out. Don't spam. Be helpful, answer questions, offer advice, and participate in conversations. People will notice your expertise and reach out when they need help. It's about building relationships, not just making a sale. Show up where your clients are, be helpful, and make your offer clear. You don't need a website or fancy marketing. Just take action. The internet makes it easier than ever to connect. Your first client is closer than you think. Be visible, be helpful, and opportunities will come. Start today. Don't wait for perfect. To get clients' attention, be personal and strategic. Don't just say, "I'm a writer." Show you understand their problem and have a solution. Do your homework. Check out their website or social media. Personalize your message. "Hi Jane, I love your boutique's Instagram. I have an idea for a reel to showcase your new dresses." Focus on the result, not just the task. People want outcomes. More customers, better engagement, a polished image. Make your offer clear and easy to say yes to. Start with a small, low-risk project. A single blog post, one graphic, a quick consult. Wow them with your work and bigger projects will follow. Build trust one step at a time. Effective outreach is about connection, not just pitching. Make it about them and you'll stand out. Don't just sell your time. Package your skill into a clear, irresistible offer. Give your service a catchy name, set a price, and promise a result. For example, blog post starter pack. 1 SEO blog post, 2 social captions, 5 bonus ideas for $250. Now clients know exactly what they're getting and what it costs. This works for any skill. Social media glow-up kit, test prep power hour, and more. List what's included and the benefit they'll get. Price based on value, not hours. Your package is a solution, not just a service. Clear offers make sales conversations easy and position you as a pro. Start with a fair price, adjust as you grow, and keep it simple. One-on-one work is great, but your time is limited. To scale, create assets that earn for you, like digital products. Write a short guide, sell templates, or create a mini course. For example, a weekend declutter ebook or Canva template pack. Sell them on Gumroad or Etsy, earn while you sleep. Templates and mini courses let you help more people at once. Record a 1-hour workshop on a specific skill. Students learn anytime, you earn passively. These assets multiply your impact and income. Package your knowledge once, sell it over and over. That's how you break the income ceiling. AI is your new secret weapon for working faster and smarter. You don't need to be a tech expert. Tools like ChatGPT and Canva's AI features are easy to use. Writers use AI to brainstorm ideas, draft captions, or check grammar. Designers let AI suggest layouts, colors, or even generate custom images. AI can transcribe meetings, edit podcasts, and automate tedious tasks. It doesn't replace your creativity, it enhances it. Use AI to free up time for strategy and client connection. Embrace these tools to boost your productivity and income. Working smarter means more clients, more products, and more cash. Stay ahead by letting AI handle the busy work. You've got the skills, the strategy, and the tools. Now take action. Don't wait for perfect. Start with progress. Make a quick skills inventory. Write down everything you're good at. Pick one skill to focus on. Write a one-sentence offer. I help busy entrepreneurs write engaging captions. Spend 15 minutes in a Facebook group or on Upwork. Just observe. Use simple tools like Trello for organization and PayPal or Stripe for payments. Set up these basics now to save headaches later. The world needs your talents. Don't let fear hold you back. Remember the coffee shop story? One small, bold step can change everything. Your skills are a gift. Share them and get paid. What's the one skill you'll use to start earning this week? Share it below. I'm cheering you on every step of the way.